Welcome. In front of me I have Realme 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can activate Hey Google. At the first you have to go for the Google folder and find Google app. Next you have to go for the more, tap on the settings, click on the voice, and then simply find voice match. And when you are here you have to simply tap on the switcher, click next, then tap right here, and right now we have to say OK Google for the 2 times, OK Google, and OK Google for the last one, OK Google. Click next, then click finish, and as you can see right now, when you say Hey Google or OK Google, it will be activated. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.